Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Motor Builder. And when I'm filming this, there's no Formula 1 weekend, so we'll be doing a Formula 1 car. Right in front of me you see what we're doing, or what we're putting on. There's a lot of silver stuff on that. And this is what we're putting on, and it's not a lot, but the next few stages are quite easy as well. So let's go straight to the 91, I think it is, and put this together. So we're going to put this one on and put that there, but then that away. This is the skid block, most probably. It looks a bit like wood, and I think that's what they want us to think it is. BM screws. And we're going to put 4 of them on. And we're going to get the oil closer because that went in all right, but it will go a lot better with a little bit of oil on the tip of the screw. My tip for the tip of the screw. That T is still very hot. Last screw going in, all BMs. There's nothing else on this build but BMs. I think we're going to the other side. Yes, we are. And we've got 2 of these. That is 91D, that's the one we're putting there. And then 91C we put on top of that. Then we're going to put 2 BM screws in there. And one on this side as well. Why won't you go in? Let's try a different one, see if that will go in. Somehow this will not go in. I have no clue why. Let's see if I can get a different screw from it. It's a little bit strange. One is a DM and one is a BM. Alright, it's in anyway. They didn't bore that hole properly. 92, so we're going to put that to the side and pick up 92, which is this very large part in 92, as I said. There we go. That's a big metal part, by the way, as you can hear. That's plastic, but that is a big metal part. We're going to turn it around. Now I think we're running that skid block on this side here. Looks like right here, as you can see with that point there. Right there. And 2 DMs. Wow. The one that I was missing just now. Then we're getting the 2 together. Have a look at those 3 points, and 1, 2, 3 there as well. And the other ones. So we're putting a TM in the middle, and these are pretty hefty screws. And we're putting those TMs in all the other big parts that we see here. And the last one of that was it. I don't remember what the screw now was. TM in this corner here. Almost thought that was another rogue screw hole. And that is that done. As you can see right there. Let's twist it around and show you the lower side with the 2 skid blocks in wood. That's in that time still. 93 is what we're getting out, and I think we can get 94 out as well. Okay, we're getting 21A out. All right, it was right on my nose, but PCB board that I was missing, it was in the car, so not too handy on my side. This is a completely different DM. TMs are the same, but the DMs are different, and I have BMs that are different as well. I don't know why that is. Alright, so we've got these parts right in front of us, and I needed a zip. And I'm going to leave that on. Alright, they're not showing how to put it in. They're saying to put it in with those 2 there, but then this cable won't reach, I think. It has to get all the way around it. That won't reach, but will it reach if I leave it there? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do it like this because the A cable is quite long, which is this one. That will reach there, so that's fine. Okay, that was a little bit strange, as you saw. We're putting it in like this with the D1 on the back. It does not actually show which one goes where, but we will share. TMs. I think these are the TMs. Yeah, 3 of them, 4. There we go. That's a little bit strange. I just had a screw that would not work, and that one doesn't either. All right. They're saying to put 4 TMs in, but this one does work. Some screws are not done properly, and I think I need to put a little bit of tape on that. All right, this is just to protect the circuit board, because if I remember, I think it was the Back to the Future build. Screws were touching as well, and that did not help. Then we're going to put that one on as like so. Then we're going to put like so. Then we're going to get that one out if it works, like so. And then we're going to put DMs on top of that. This is a different kind of DM from the one I have lying around already, which is a bit odd, and I hope they work, because the other ones were hard to put in. So 2 DMs to get that little bracketing, as you can see right there, and we can put that. All right, that's in like so. Then we're putting this one on. Has to be like that. I'm just wondering how these cables are going to be. Let's get a bit of more tape out. I'm going to leave it here. And this is how it should go in because of that there. And we're going to put BMs. All right, so we're putting that little thing on as well. It's connected, but NMs for the switch. The switch is in off position. You know that because there's one, the third connector there, that is nothing is connected to it. So that must be the off position. And on the lower side we can put that little thing in as well, which has the cardboard on it. 2 AA batteries that are AAA batteries that are in there, and that is it for this stage, I think. Yes, and no, we're going to do 94 as well, because it's not a big part, but not a lot to do. We're going to connect a few things to this part, so I'm turning it so it's easier to do. All right. That is how we put those on. Then we get that one out. Colors are slightly different to what it's shown. That, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 TM screws, and then that is done as well. So it's good that I took that out as well. Where's my good screwdriver? Right there. So 8 TM screws, and we'll be back. So we're not putting screws on these parts, so I may have stuffed up the screw hole, but we'll do something about it and change the screw and have that together as well. There you go. That's the whole thing. The lower side of the card. Don't remember by heart what you call it, but that is it. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this or any of the other cars that I have, as you can see behind me and as you can see on my channel. So please join me next time, and I hope I will see you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.